Hello everybody, I am Attila Tanner. Welcome to a brand new video of Next Talk. I hope you're all doing well. It's been 3 weeks since the last video, so we are due for an update. We're gonna look into the highlights section about companies that recently reported, and then we're gonna go over to the US and the Canadian market. So before starting with the highlights, I just want to mention, if you're new to this channel, welcome. So all the information here is gathered from our computer program. The data is gathered from company's website whenever the quarterly results are out. And every 3 months, of course, those data is changed. I try to gather all the information also to a website called nextstock.ca, so you can see the target prices for various companies there at the moment for free. So check it out. Now, let's start with the highlights. And here is the companies that recently reported with high sales growth. So Li Auto is first one out, 131% year-over-year sales growth, impressive. Target price for them has, however, been lowered to $58, but there's still an upside for Li Auto. Novo Nordisk reported 39% year-over-year sales growth. Target price for them has been increased to $100. They're trading a bit higher than that at the moment. Unity reported 35% year-over-year sales growth. Target price for them has been lowered to $45, but there's still an upside for Unity. Broadcom reported a 34% year-over-year sales growth. Target price for them has been increased to $1,160. They're trading slightly higher than that at the moment. All right, let's look at some other companies that recently reported. Crowdstrike reported a 33% year-over-year sales growth. Target price for them has been increased to $276, and they're trading a little bit higher than that at the moment. Snowflake reported 25% year-over-year sales growth. Target price for them has been increased to $149, and they're also trading a little bit higher than that. Square reported 24% year-over-year sales growth. Target price for them has been increased to $75, and they're trading a little bit higher than that at the moment. Amgen reported 20% year-over-year sales growth. Target price for them has been increased to $286, and they're trading around those levels. All right, that was the highlights. Let's dive into the US market and start with the value stocks. The top 3 are JP Morgan, ExxonMobil, and Tencent. So these companies have a high market cap with low price earnings. This combination makes companies in this category stable companies for you to consider in your portfolio. Next category is dividends. So these companies gives out cash. So top 3 are Verizon, AT&T, and Ford. Ford enters the list instead of 3M. Growth category. This is more comparing sales growth with stock price growth, kind of the relation between the two. So the higher the difference, they will be in this list. Rivian is number 1. HDFC Bank, who's a newcomer, is on spot number 2. They had a sales growth of 59%, while the stock price has been going down 19%. Xpeng is here as well, sales growth of 23%, while the stock price has been going down 21%. But Xpeng is soon going to report, so we shall see if they are in this list next time around. Li Auto and NIO, they reported, and now they are out from top 3. Pricey category is the complete reversed. So in case the stock price is growing faster than the sales, it will be in this list. And also if company have a price to sale ratio that is very high, it will be penalized by our formulas. And all 3 are changed. Moderna is on top spot, sales declined of 45% and stock price going down 42%. Eli Lilly is on spot number 2 as a newcomer. They have a high price to sale ratio, and also the sales was 28%, but stock price almost doubled, more than doubled, 108%. Palantir, they have a sales growth of 20%, and the stock price has been more than double, 281% since over a year. And they have a very high price to sell ratio. Reason for it is that in the latest report, we can see they're becoming more and more profitable. And so the interest for Palantir has been growing. However, the price to sell ratio is still very, very high. So be careful about that. Crowdstrike, Snowflake, and Broadcom, who was in the list, is out from top 3 following their report. All right, that's the US market. Let's go into the Canadian market. Start with the value stocks there. Top 3 are Royal Bank, TD Bank, and Canadian National Resources. Dividends in the Canadian market, Enbridge, Tourmaline Oil, and BCE. Enbridge and Tourmaline Oil swap places. Growth stocks in the Canadian market, they are also all changed. Lightspeed, ATS, and OpenText is the top 3. Baytex Energy, RB Global, and Boralex is out from top 3. Pricey ones in the Canadian market, Power Corp, First Quantum, and ARC Resources. Onyx and TELUS International is out from top 3, and they were replaced by First Quantum and ARC Resources. Alright, that's the report for this time around. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one, hopefully in 3 weeks' time. At that time, we're going to go over the Q1 results for the whole quarter, and just to see how the different indexes in US and Canada has performed. Alright, until next time. You can follow me on X also, NextStockYT, and I will post whenever there's something important happening. And always gather a lot of information before jumping ahead purchasing stocks. All right, until next time, bye-bye.